Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to turn off sounds and media on the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This is a useful tip if you want to browse videos and media without hearing any automatic sounds. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. Tap on Settings to open all available options. After that, locate the Media section and click on it to open the media settings. Then, continue scrolling down until you find the Sounds option. Finally, turn off the Sounds toggle to disable media sounds in the app. Once this is done, all videos and media you play in Facebook Lite will no longer make sound automatically. You can always turn it back on if you want to hear media sounds again. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.